Hey there, in today's tutorial, we'll create a dynamic progress bar using JavaScript. You'll see how to update its full level based on task completion. It is a great tool for visual feedback during loading, uploads, or timed tasks. Let's jump in and start building it step by step. We need a UI element that tracks and displays progress. It should visually fill from left to right as completion increases. We'll use a simple we'll use simple div elements that apply with styling dynamically. Let's explore the code that makes this interactive. We define a function called update progress that takes a percentage. Using getElementById, we grab the full section of the progress bar. Then we simply update its width style to reflect the current progress. Calling this function 75 sets the bar to 75% full. The outer bar sets the total width and background. The inner full bar grows as progress increases. JavaScript controls the percentage shown by updating its style width. CSS handles visual polish using a transition effect. Here's how it looks with various progress inputs. You can call update progress with any value from 0 to 100. It adjusts the visual bar in real time for excellent UX. Let's explore where you can use this in real world projects. Progress bars are common in file uploads, app loading screens, and form wizards. They give users clear feedback about what's happening in real time. This simple component improves clarity and trust in your interface. Let's close with a quick recap of what we've built. We've built a fully functional dynamic progress bar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's interactive, visually smooth, and flexible for any task. Feel free to reuse this in your projects or improve it with labels and animations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.